I'm about to trade $1 million worth of cryptocurrency. And the crazy thing is, I don't even have to have $1 million in order to do it. So how? With something called a flash loan. This is a brand new technique where you can borrow cryptocurrency to trade with zero money down. And this is all made possible by blockchain technology. You really can't do it any other way. Sure, you can do leveraged trades in the traditional financial system, but there are huge drawbacks. You typically have to put money down. There's all this red tape before you can be approved to do it. And you might lose the money that you borrow. But with flash loans, you can do it with zero money down. You don't need to be approved. And there's zero risk because you can't lose the money. Sounds too good to be true, right? Nope. This is a trending topic in blockchain right now because people are using them to make profit. So how does it work? Well, basically you can borrow as much money as you want to, let's say $1 million, and you can trade with it as long as you pay it back in the same transaction. But instead of just talking about it, why don't I show you? I'll do a flash loan right now on screen, and then I'll tell you how you can do the exact same thing. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video to find out. And really quickly, if we haven't met before, I'm Gregory, and on this channel, I turn you into a blockchain master. And your first lesson is that you will never master blockchain until you smash that like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. Oh, wait. Okay. Are you good? All right, let's get started. All right, so I've got everything set up to perform the flash loan. I'm on this website called Remix where you can develop smart contracts directly inside your browser. And here's all the code for my flash loan here. So big shout out to the team at Tornado Cash who helped me create this. All right, so now I want to show you how easy it is to deploy this contract to the Ethereum network and take out the loan. So I just compile and then deploy. All right. And confirm this transaction. All right, our transaction has been mined and the smart contract is on the network. Now let's actually do a flash loan. So let's borrow $1 million worth of cryptocurrency. So we're going to borrow Ethereum. Let's look to see how much Ethereum is right now. It's $208 about. So if I put $1 million in here, that's 4,790 Ether. Let's just do 5,000 Ether. That way we know we're over $1 million. So now I'll go back into Remix and put in that amount. All right, so 5,000, and we actually have to add some extra zeros at the end because of how the decimal places work. So we'll call the flash loan. Click confirm, sign the transaction, and there we go. And it will take a few seconds for this to mine. All right, boom, there we go. So I just borrowed 5,000 Ethereum, which at the time of recording this video is over $1 million. It's actually $1,041,000. And there you have it, folks. That's a successful flash loan. So what can you do with flash loans? Well, you can use them to make more money. That's the leverage trade that I talked about earlier. You could buy cryptocurrency on one exchange and then sell it on a different exchange for a profit. That's called arbitrage. And it looks like this. You know, you borrow money, you trade it, and then you pay it back. But flash loans are so incredible because before this step right here, if the trade isn't profitable, the entire transaction fails and you can't lose any money. There's zero risk. And that's a huge advantage over the traditional financial system. And you know what's even crazier? There are no gatekeepers here. Basically, anybody can do this. All you need is a web browser, a blockchain wallet, and a little bit of coding knowledge. You can do this entire thing inside of Remix. You can write the code here, compile it, and then put it on the blockchain just like I did a minute ago. You don't have to know how to use a terminal or any complicated developer tools. You can do everything inside your web browser. Next, you need a blockchain wallet. I'm using MetaMask, which is just a Chrome extension that you can install in like 2 seconds. And you'll need a little bit of Ethereum cryptocurrency in your wallet to make this work. But you can buy that really easily on a website like Coinbase.com. I'll put a link down below. And then lastly, you need some basic coding skills to pull this off. So it's really not that complicated on the grand scheme of things. In fact, you could probably learn to code just for this purpose. It's just one programming language. You can do everything in your browser. And once you have a template set up like this, all you have to do is modify a few lines of code in order to do your trades. And once you get it set up, you'll have the ability to borrow over $1 million just like this. Pretty crazy, right? Well, so many people have been asking me about this, you know, in the YouTube comments and also inside my blockchain bootcamp. They've said, can you please show us how to do flash loans? Well, I'm excited to share that, yes, I will show you step by step. I'm going to have a flash loan masterclass on Wednesday, June the 10th. You'll see exactly how you can take out a flash loan and how you can make money with it. And the best part is it's going to be a live streamed event where you can ask questions as we go. So you need to sign up down below with a special link if you want to join. And trust me, don't wait on this. This might be the next big trend in blockchain, and I don't know when I'm ever going to do this again. I've been around in blockchain a long time, and I've had to learn some lessons the hard way. Like, I could have bought Bitcoin at $100 and I didn't do it. So don't be like me, all right? Don't wait on this. Sign up now with the link down below. All right, so that's all I've got. Thanks for watching this video. Remember, if you want to master blockchain, then you must smash the like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. And maybe subscribe to this channel too. You'll learn faster. But really, if you want to learn to build your first blockchain app, I can show you how to do just that. All right, I've got several tutorials on this channel that are basically like Udemy courses, but free. So go check those out. But if you want to take a massive shortcut and build your own real world blockchain application and make a ton of money as a blockchain developer, then I can show you how to do that inside my blockchain bootcamp. Just head on over to dappuniversity.com/bootcamp to get started. Don't worry. You don't have to be an expert to get started now. You don't have to know the programming languages, and you don't even have to know anything about blockchain. I'll show you. All right, everybody. That's all I've got. And until next time, thanks for watching Dapp University.